So for today's vlog, we're going to harvest our rice. This one left, which is not harvested yet, so we have to finish it. So as you can see, the rice field, it's already done here, and also over there, and also here. So just take a look at this water here. Well, before we used to go fishing, and that one, look. So we have to go there. We have to pass this way. There is a bridge, a small bridge, not same as the bridge you expected, but this is only a wood. Relaxing. This is my OOTD. Sure, charot. So like, I'm wearing boots. You can see, not really good to wear slippers. No, that's Mama. So I'm gonna help Mama, guys. So I'm gonna leave you here. Asa? Aray, kaduhang kahon. Kapusan tapos. Kaya. Di na buslot na mapagkuas. So I'm gonna use this, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the rice and how to cut it. So Mama, we're gonna cut. Oh, kita ma. It's the rice. Isang butil ng rice, rice not really good. So small rice. Okay, this is how to cut rice, guys. Hinaya rama. Mama is doing. So it's my turn. It's my turn. So Mama is using the big knife. Lading. Oh, ing namahay. Hi. So sipag-sipagan tayo for today's video. Sipag-sipagan tayo for today's video, guys. Okay. Mubo ora kung kinuanan. Sa pagkuan niya, butok. Nasa man ko atong anak punuan. Tapos ano sang kasaha, ikaw na. So it's so hot today, guys. My gosh. After this, we have to tie that one, make it a bundle, and then put in the hey! My gosh. So it's so hot. Hi, bossing. How dia bossing? Lagi or dahil ma?
Hapit na namatay ni Subura.
Ha?
Hapit na namatay.
Oh?
Walang lagi pa sa amin.
Kayo? Uy, it's so hot in the world. Exercise. So it's done. It's done, guys. We're done cutting the rice or harvesting the rice. We're going home now, and Mama is trying to cut all the weeds. Whew. It's so hot. Go, guys. So that's my uncle's field or rice farm, and then this other side, other person also own this one. So they are planting. They're planting tomato in here. There is bell pepper. There's a big bell pepper. That one, guys. Wow. Not big area, but wow, at least they have their own. Well, they are selling this bell paper. It's like this is already their business. Right, that one. Oh, big bell paper. So on the other side, it's tomato. We bought to them one time a tomato. Wow, it's really good. But now look, the tomato tree is not looking good because of the typhoon, and it seems that the leaves is not really good. It's dry, as you can see, guys. Look at the tomato leaves. The tomato tree is dry. So maybe they gonna replant this tomato, and then they are going to clean up the fields, of course. Sure. So they have okra and bitter gourd and string beans up there. That one, string beans, and there is bitter gourd. So they have varieties of vegetables in here for business. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye, guys.